Hey y'all, today I am back with another fast tutorial, and today we're doing a wig install, a lace closure wig install to be exact, and then we're gonna put her some waves in it to, pop it off at the end. First I'm starting off blow drying her hair, then I'm going to go into her straight back braids for her wig install. So here I skipped the oil down because I did it so much, but I'm going straight into the massage. And after we finish her massage, we're going to pop that cap on her head. After you get your cap on, you're going to go in with your holding spray, and then you're going to get ready to sew that cap down. Remember, it's a lace closure wig install, so we're just sewing just enough cap just for the closure to cover. After you cut your cap, go ahead and put your 5 to 7 layers of glue, and then you're going to go in with your lace tint. Be sure to spread your layer of glue very thin, as thin as you can get it, because the thinner the better. When you keep it thick, it gets clumpy. Now you're gonna pop your client's wig on, then you're gonna massage the lace into the glue, and I'm gonna hot comb the hair out of my way so I can see exactly what's going on, baby. So now I'm gonna section off the sides and the back because I'm getting ready to sew the wig down for more security. Now you're gonna go in and cut your lace. Make sure you cut your lace jaggedly. It looks more natural when you do that. So after you cut your lace, you're gonna go in and hit the hot spots, the spots that didn't get glued down all the way at first. Go back and put glue underneath those parts, wait on them to dry, and melt the lace into the glue. So now I'm going into my pluck-in. This client does not like baby hair at all, so we're not going to be doing any baby hairs. So we're just going to pluck her hairline and make it look as natural as possible. My client is getting the middle part, so I'm going to take my rat tail and I'm going to make her part, and I'm going to mold all of the hair into place while I'm melting the lace closure down. So to melt the lace closure, I always use even lace melt spray in the little purple bottle. Now I'm going into her wand waves. I'm using my wand. I'm doing waves away from the face. Make sure when you do your waves, you're gonna twist and wrap the hair around at the same time. Now that I'm done wanding it, I'm gonna go and pull all of the curls out. I usually use a big comb to do this, and then after you pull them all out, I go in with the little oil and rub it on the hair so everything could blend in nicely, you know, give you a nice finish. So these are her final results. I hope you all have enjoyed this short tutorial. I have many more coming. I will see y'all next time. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to you, girl. Bye. Have a baby by me, baby, be a million.